In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you will be fine and you are busy for preparation of your final exams. So let's see, we will start here a practical geometry class 10th subject mathematics science group. This question is included in unit number 13 exercise 13.1. ये कुछ ओल्ड बुक्स में था, न्यू एडिशन की बुक्स में ये क्वेश्चन नहीं था, लेकिन मॉडल पेपर पे ये क्वेश्चन मेंशन था और बच्चों की रिक्वेस्ट पे भी फिर मैंने सोचा कि इस पे भी एक वीडियो बना लेती हूँ कि आप एक आर्क को 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स में कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने आपको सिखाया था कि एक आर्क को आपने किस तरह से 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है। आज मैं सिखाऊंगी कि एक आर्क को आप किस तरह से 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एन आर्क विथ सुटेबल रेडियस। Like this. Now that is the center point named as A and B. Join B to A and O is the center point named as O point. O is the center point of this arc. Now this is the arc. So O is the center point. So you have to open compass from O to A, that is the radius. Open compass from O to A or O to B. So you can check again. Open compass from O to A. Put compass at point A, draw first arc. Now put compass at point B, draw second arc. Now you have to join. First of all named as C and D. Now join C to O. Join D to O. These are the 3 equal parts of this arc. So you have to divide into 6 equal parts. So first of all you have to join chord C to A, that is the first chord. Now second chord is join C to D. Now third chord is join D to B. So AC is the first chord, CD is the second chord and DB is the third chord. Now first, second, third, there are 3 portions. So first of all you have to take chord here AC. Now bisect AC. So AC chord, open compass from A to less than C. Now put compass at point A and draw arcs up and below. Now put compass at point C, draw arcs up and below. So you have to draw again this arc. Now you have to join this. That is the intersection point and that is also the intersection point. So you have to join and extend this line in dotted line. ठीक है. So अब देखें AC फर्स्ट पार्ट था आर्क का, इसका मैंने मज़ीद 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. ठीक हो गया. Named as capital E. Now second chord is CD. Now you have to bisect CD chord. Open compass from D to less than C. Put compass at point D. Draw arcs up and below. Now put compass at point C. Draw arcs up and below. So you have to extend this arc. That is the intersection point. Now you have to join. Dotted lines. अब देखें CD सेकंड पार्ट था आर्क का, अब इसको हमने मज़ीद 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया, नेम्ड एज F. अब आपके पास थर्ड कॉर्ड है. ओपन कंपस फ्रॉम D टू लेस देन B. पुट कंपस एट पॉइंट D. ड्रॉ आर्क्स अप एंड बिलो. नाउ पुट कंपस एट पॉइंट D. ड्रॉ आर्क्स अप एंड बिलो. Now you have to join. center point O. Now that is the dotted line. Now check that, named as G. Now check that you have to divide this arc into 6 equal parts. First part is AE, second part is EC, third part is CF, then FD, then DAG, and then GB. These are 6 equal parts. So first step of construction here, draw an arc of any length. Now second step here, O is the center of this arc. Now third step of construction here, taking A as a center, draw an arc of radius OA which cuts the arc at point C. Now fourth step of construction here. टाइम सेव करने के लिए मैंने स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन लिख लिए हैं, आपने ये वीडियो एंड तक देखनी है. फोर्थ स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, ड्रॉ टेकिंग बी एज अ सेंटर, ड्रॉ एन आर्क ऑफ रेडियस ओ ए विच कट्स द आर्क एट पॉइंट डी. नाउ बाइसेक्ट द chords A, C, C, D and D, B. Now join E to O, F to O and G to O. Now required 6 parts of. Now AE, EC, CF, FD, GD and GB are required 6 equal parts. I hope so you have understand that how you can divide an arc of any length into 6 equal parts or 3 equal parts. So वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So Allah Hafiz to all of you and take care of yourself.